Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shantae Gray coming at you from Real Estate Agent Buyer Agent Mastermind Group. And I am a Illinois and Indiana licensed real estate broker, and we provide credit repair courses as well and mentorship to realtors. So I just wanted to speak with you about a question that came up. I got a question from a potential buyer and seller, and they wanted to know if they were to short sale or possibly foreclose or even do a deed in lieu of their current residence, how long after that will they be able to purchase again? And so I said, well, very good question. This particular buyer obviously and seller obviously knows the value of owning real estate. So I thought that was great. They were looking, this was a future pacing question. They're looking at what's going to happen in the future. They want to utilize real estate as a resource, as an asset. And so they got themselves into a situation. Whatever that situation is, they're faced with the problem that they have to solve, and they have questions so that they can properly educate themselves to make the best decision. So this was a great question. And so I had to explain to them that after a foreclosure, they actually thought that a foreclosure was quite different in terms of their ability to purchase again than a short sale or a deed in lieu. Someone had actually told them that if they foreclosed, it would take them 7 years to actually be able to purchase again. And so I had to demythify that statement, that comment that they got from someone else. More than likely it was another realtor who was uneducated about it. And so here's the answer to the question. If they did a short sale, foreclosure, or a deed in lieu, from the date that the event was consummated, meaning the final date that's shown either on the credit report or some public record document, they have a 3-year wait period if they are to utilize FHA financing, and they would have a 4-year wait period if they were able to utilize conventional financing. Now, actually, if that short sale actually did not show any late payments and they just went from short sale because of whatever their situation is, and there weren't any late payments, they actually paid their mortgage, there's a 12-month wait period. So we know that the majority of the time people are obviously in a short sale situation because they are behind or they had some traumatic event, and they're very seldomly able to sell the home if they're caught up on payments, right? Because that's not the deal. Just because you feel that the property is not worth it anymore to you as a homeowner, and you feel that the values are down, and for that reason I want out. That's not what you signed up for in your mortgage clause. Paying your mortgage and paying it off, paying whatever your obligation is, has nothing to do with the value of the property. The value of the property is important when you purchase it, but the mortgage company and you's agreement is not that the property sustains its value over the course of whatever the period or the term of the mortgage is. So I thought that was a good question. I just wanted to give you that little bit of information and to be a resource to you. If you would like the credit repair course, hang tight. We will be posting it. It will be launching very soon, and we have some other resources. You can also drop your email here, and I will also send you the launch date for that. I'll also send you a free gift, which is a 27-point checklist that I use when I'm working with buyers so that I can seamlessly get through the entire buyer transaction without it failing and derailing. And that's totally free to you. Make it a great day. Also, don't forget to connect with us in this group, Real Estate Buyer Agent Mastermind group, or you can connect with us on YouTube, Shantae Gray TV, or send us an email, shantaegray@gmail.com. Thank you.